Now that we're in the program, you may notice that your camera is not aligned to the mat. So we're going to go through setting up the camera. As you remember in the previous video, this flat side of the camera needs to be to your left. So I'm going to turn it sideways like this. And then notice we still have the squares that need to be aligned. So I'm going to move this camera here. I can just scoot it over sideways like this. And notice now we have all the squares in alignment. I can move the camera head here. I'm going to tilt it a little bit up, and that way I can get the squares so they're more in the middle of the mat or your screen. So I'm going to move this over a little bit this way, and now you have a border on the top for your sentences to appear, and on the bottom and on both sides you have the border. You want to make sure also, if you can see here, that this box is not in the camera view. If you push it back to the orange border here, most likely it will not be in view, but here it looks fine, so there we have it. Now I'm going to show you what the buttons do on the top of the camera. You have the dark blue button, which is your focus button. You have two positions to go to on this light blue button. A, F for autofocus. You're going to put it on the letter C. This dark gray button, exposure, has a plus and a minus. So I'm going to tilt the camera head up so you can see my mat. The plus, if I click on that, it's going to make it brighter. So see, I'm making it brighter. If I need it to be a little darker, I'll simply click on the minus button. And those are the buttons on the camera. You can also use this camera as a document camera in your classroom.